Hey guys, today I will be showing you and unboxing this microwave playset. It comes with a croissant, a hot dog, 2 drinks. It spins around. It comes with a burger, knife and fork, a plate. It's got working lights. It spins around. It's got buttons, and it's actually got a timer. And my sister, she's sad, but anyways, if you want to press it, press this, press it, press it. Yeah.
Chicken.
Press it. Any which one you want. Press it.
The rest of the
Press. Which one?
pets. I want pizza.
Okay, as you can see, the timer. Now if we start, it spins around. It's got lights. Spins around. And it's actually got a pretty fast timer anyways. And if we turn it around, this is what's inside. But before we start, I have to tell you something. On our channel, we don't just do Lego building videos. We do Connect building videos, Beyblade videos. We also have another channel called Parsatube Gaming. We do gaming videos such as Minecraft, Copying Rubber, Roblox, Bloons City Battles, Grand Empire of Rome, Among Us, Stick War Legacy, Stick War Legacy 3, Bloons City Battles 2, Bloons City Battles 6, and Pixel Gun 3D. So let's unbox it. So this is the back of the box. And here is the microwave itself and what comes inside, which is, this is a croissant, a hot dog, a burger, it comes with a plate too, knife and fork, 2 drinks, and the microwave. So let's unbox. It's got tape.
This microwave is chicken burger, and this is just one in the also the microwave in pouring thing in the this microwave in the solar in the solar thing.
Oh, fine. Time to open it. So first, here's the microwave. My sister's excited, but here it is.
But it's good. I want.
Here are the drinks.
And this is pink.
It needs the tomato. Where did the tomato go? The tomato is missing. Oh wait, there's no tomato anyways. Oh yeah, there is tomato. Never mind. First goes the bun.
Cheese.
First goes the bun. And that, and the cheese, and the lettuce. And then the burger. Done. We put this here. And here's the plate as well. Here's the hot dog.
Cheese.
The cheese. And then the bun.
And
Here's the burger. Drinks. Yeah, we can fully attach it. Here it is. And we're going to take out the chicken. It's got tape. And it is so yeah. Here are the things: the croissant, the burger, the bun, fork and knife. And take the chicken out that way. And now here's the chicken as well, and we can close it up. We can put the hot dog inside, and we can close the door. What did we put in again? Wait, what? There's no hot dog button for it.
I want things.
So if we put, what's the chicken? Put the chicken inside, close the door, what's the chicken? There you go. So it's working. My sister's building the burger. And as you can see, it's beeping when it's nearly done, and the light. I'll build it. First, get this. Then we put the tomato. And we put the cheese. Put the cheese.
And
the burger. Anyways, here's and this.
And the banks, microwave.
Now into the microwave.
And the bank time.
And then we put the burger. It's not spinning because of... That's a mess. Okay.
This is so messy.
This is hard. So first goes the tomato, then the cheese, then the burger, then the cucumber, and then the bread, and done. Here is the burger.
And the pink mixing microwave.
pressing every single button.
It's so messy.
Okay, anyways. So I'm
done.
Okay, so guys, I hope you guys like it. Subscribe to see my videos. Bye guys.